Hello everybody and welcome to Them Fast. Today we're going to POV drive this beautiful new Passat from Volkswagen. It's the R package or the R-Line edition. It has a beautiful like grayish silver color. That's really nice, and it has a lot of black optics. This car also is provided by Wittebrug in The Hague, and we are going to take this car on a POV drive. So Nicky, take it away.
So welcome into the brand new Volkswagen Passat, and yeah, it is a brand new car. This car has done just over 1,000 kilometers, so it is actually brand new.
So the car has a life by itself. It wants to stop everywhere. It wants to keep you between the lines. It also wants to anchor you up.
Yeah.
It's horrible.
Yeah.
The new cars are horrible. It's not a car anymore.
So Robin is a bit pessimistic about new cars. I'm actually really optimistic about this one. And you will see that in the rest of the video and the videos, because we're going to also make a review and we're going to make a comparison with the all new Tiguan as well. But in this video we will take you on a POV drive in this brand new Volkswagen Passat. So this is a 1.5 liter ETSI, which means that it is a mild hybrid electric vehicle with 150 horsepower, 250 newton meters of torque, and a little electric motor that's being fed by a small battery. So we do actually also have a GTE version of this car, but I think it's not called GTE anymore. I think it's called Passat Hybrid or E-Hybrid. And we actually have a video of that car already, which is on the channel. You can see it in the pop-out banner right here. So make sure to check that out if you are in the market for this car. So, but some more information about this car. So we have the all new interior design of this car, and as you can see, we have a huge touchscreen. Like, how many inches do you think this is, Rob? I think it's easily like 15 inches or something.
Yeah.
It's bigger than your average MacBook.
Yeah. It's pretty big.
Yeah, so it is somewhat comparable in size of the Model 3 screen, but yeah, it has the Volkswagen MHEV system, and it works a bit better than the previous one, to be honest. We do have very nice R-Line design in this car. So we have the R-Line steering wheel, as you can see, with the logo inscripted right here. We have some R-Line badging around the dashboard as well. We have very nice use of Alcantara on this interior. I have to say I'm very impressed about the build quality of this car, and Volkswagen really stepped up their game after the initial ID models, which were not too good in terms of the interior. But this is really nice. What do you think of it, Rob?
Yeah, it's high quality. It all it's produced very well, and the car overall looks really good. And yeah, I think I do like this new type of Volkswagen interior.
I'm going to be even higher because the POV thing was not too good. Now it is good.
And if you want to see more of the interior and exterior of this car, check out the visual review of this car. We take you on a tour in the car and show you everything of the interior and the exterior of this car.
A fun fact, Robin. Job and I were stuck right here when we drove his 4x4.
Nice.
It was insane. So, but yeah, I am impressed with this car. I cannot say otherwise. We just got this car from Volkswagen Wittebrug in The Hague, the Netherlands. So thank you guys for providing this vehicle. And as we said before, this car is brand new. and it all feels really nice, to be honest. This reminds me a bit of my Audi steering wheel, and I mean, it's a Volkswagen, so that's a good thing. Yeah, everything feels so much more upmarket than what it previously was. One critical note though is the gearbox. I mean, not necessarily the gearbox, but they have a new function called auto hold, which just holds the car still if you let off the throttle, and normally that's okay. But what is annoying, that if you give some gas to get away with the car, then the car just spurs forward, and that's a bit annoying. So normally you have the creep mode. This time you don't have the creep mode.
But can you make a quick stop?
Yeah.
I'm curious if it will creep right now. If you're stopped.
All right, so we are stopped onto a hold, and if I let off the throttle right now. Yeah, but it's an S. Somebody put it in S.
Yes, but I also took off auto hold.
Oh, you can actually. Okay, so that's nice. So
you can.
A damn fast top tip: get auto hold here in the menu and put it off because you don't really like it. And of course, if you don't want it, you can also turn off the auto start stop of the petrol engine, because that can be annoying sometimes. But further, the drivetrain is, yeah, what you expect from it. So 150 horsepower. We do have cylinder activation, so it's the Volkswagen's ACT technology, active cylinder technology, and it switches off 2 cylinders if you don't need them. And of course, we have a DSG transmission. Oh, it's an S now. Now I'm curious what the performance is like. All right. I would expect it to downshift, but it actually decided to just keep on in third gear. But mind you, this car is new, so it will probably be it probably be a bit limited too. And generally the torque gets better when the car is driven quite a bit. So but from previous 1.4 1.5 TSIs, we know that this engine is all you need in daily use. It's fast enough, it's very economical. You can easily get we drive almost 20 kilometers per liter or 5 liters per 100 kilometers. So that's just very nice for a car this size.
You get all types of warnings, even when they're not there.
Yeah, I think it's mandatory though. Like if you drive too fast, that you get a slight chime. Like,
yeah, there it is. That you're a little bit above speed.
Yeah. Oh, and by the way, actually, when driving this car, I get a nice back massage. So we have a button here on the left side of the seat, and if you press it, you get treated by a lovely massaging function, which is very nice, of course. We do also have a very big panoramic sunroof, which you cannot see, of course, but it is there. You can see it in the review if you want to. So Rob, can you tell me a bit more about the MHEV system maybe?
Yeah, so this is the new MHEV system of Volkswagen, and you can turn it off. Oh no, you can turn the radio on. You have your volume buttons. They're how do you call it? They're touch. I don't know where.
Yeah.
You have 2 sides. You can I'd say long. You can use the whole touchscreen for the volume, and also you have your heating and cooling adjustments it's depth based too.
Yeah.
But it works quite nice because the buttons are here. Even when you turn it off, sometimes the buttons go away because they are lit. But
yeah, they made alterations because in previous models they were not lit up at night, so you couldn't see anything. But now they are.
It's better.
Yeah.
And so yeah, you can use all types of apps. You have like parking. There's some parking assist. You have
Does the camera work now?
I have to check. No,
it probably doesn't.
No. You also do have different like lighting styles. You see it changing on the dash as well. Yeah, could be nice.
I want Desire, man. Put on Desire.
Cool.
Or a Euphoria. Oh, the dials actually go red then.
They change.
So it looks nice though.
That's funny to like personalize your car a bit more. You have the seats. Here you can see the massage.
Oh yeah.
And this is for me. Kloppend.
Do you also have a massage?
I guess. Yeah.
You honestly have massaging seats too?
Yeah.
Yo, that's super nice. Like most of the time, only the driver has the massaging function.
It always feels kind of weird. Like
can you get the shoulder to shoulder? I want a shoulder, man. Oh,
yeah, I don't like it.
Oh, I love it. I love it.
Can you turn it off? Stop. Stop. All right. So that's the system. Even wat anders, rij je dan nu naar weer terug voor die microfoon?
Oh ja, dat is goed.
Dat je dat niet vergeet. Here you have the connect for your Jan Willem for your Apple
we didn't
Play
connect.
or
this screen is crazy large for CarPlay. I mean, CarPlay works in a screen like this.
Yeah, but this is really big, so
yeah,
it will be quite nice. Yeah, it works all very fine, and they're not. I don't see any type of hiccups whatsoever.
No, they improved it quite a lot.
Yeah, it does work really well. And this is like your central screen where you can adjust all your drivers. Profile.
So
nice.
What's actually funny though, I don't know if Volkswagen thought of this, but they show you all kinds of charging infrastructure, like a 22 kilowatt charger here, some more here, an 11 kilowatt charger there. This car is not a plug-in hybrid. This is an ETSI, so I don't really understand that.
But it is nice, it shows.
Or we just messed up very bad and this is a plug-in hybrid, but I don't think so. Because you have two versions of the Passat.
And they may push a little bit towards electric vehicles, so they show you just how much they provide.
They're just putting it through your head.
Yeah, it can.
Buy an electric Volkswagen. Do it. Okay, let's make an illegal turn here.
No, it's not illegal.
Oh, it's not illegal.
Actually, it's legal. Yeah, but it's a
I really have to say I'm impressed about one and foremost the build quality.
Yeah, definitely.
They really stepped up their game with the build quality, and I mean there was a lot to be desired though if you compare it to the first generations of ID models.
Yeah.
Which just were not that well built, and after the Dieselgate scandal thing, that everything started to go downhill, including the quality.
Yeah, actually the like for example the ID3 and the Cupra Born.
Yeah.
There was the Cupra Born was even better quality than the ID3.
Yeah, that's true.
But with this car, they made a very nice upgrade.
Yeah. Yeah, they really did. And it's comfortable too. You have a HUD, so a heads-up display. I don't know if you can see it on camera though, but there is a heads-up display right here, and you can see the amount of kilometers you drive. You can see the traffic signs as well as some other driving information, so that's also nice to have. Alright, so that's it for the driving POV. So I hope you guys liked it driving this car with us. So if you would like to know more information about this car, then please check out the review. It's going to be up soon on the channel, and it's going to be an extensive review. And of course, if you want some more of the visual review, you can also check that out as well. And we are going to make, as we said before, a comparison video between this car and the new Volkswagen Tiguan. So that's it for now. I don't know if you have anything to add, Mr. Rob.
No, it's a very nice car, and if you want to check out the car, go to your nearest dealer and make a
that's right.
Oh yeah. And make a test drive with this car, because this car is very, very nice. So yeah, that's it.
Alright, so thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.
Ciao.
Ciao.